Thank you, Debbie.
Thank you. Jen?
30 or 50 friend requests. And they said, these people do not confirm your friend request. Please cancel your friend request anytime. And they didn't even have a choice. They were just like, please cancel.
1 2 1 2.
And it was
Test 1 2 1 2.
Sam?
Shut. 1 2 1 2.
Remind you of some capacity.
All right, have a nice handstand, Brown. Cocoa Joe and Tony Holden. You brothers, y'all will be after this round.
Thank you, everybody. That was nice. Thanks.
Hey, Debbie, I'm going to also have another guitar.
I'll mute it when you switch.
We'll wait till... Alright, we're going to count straws right quick to see who starts. Hold on just 1 second. Hey, was anybody here for CMA week? Yeah! There's a lot of stuff going on.
Yeah, that's like the only
It's really busy.
because
I'd like to thank Debbie for tonight and for always doing such an incredible job and lining up really good. So now I have to try to fill some. This is a song I wrote called Let's Roll. This day is too good to waste. I can tell by that look on your face. Ready to leave this crazy place. Little fun never hurt anyways. Set our course for Farm Road 10. That secret spot where we used to swim. We can take our fishing poles. We might get a nibble, girl, you never know. So, hey, let's roll. I can take you as far as you can go. A day like this won't last forever. Hey, let's roll. Baby, let's roll. We'll go swing on that old time wheel in the corner of your daddy's field. We'll float down the creek a while. Baby, hear that call of the wild. Saying, hey, let's roll. I can take you as far as you want to go. A day like this won't last forever. Hey, let's roll, baby, let's roll. We'll build a fire when the sun goes down, even if there's no matches around. Just you and me in that lazy old burn. I can take you as far as you want to go. A day like this won't last forever. Hey, let's roll, baby, let's roll. Baby, let's roll. Come on, baby, let's roll. Baby, let's roll.
Thanks, Sandra. Let's go, Joe.